Hey friends, if you wish to fix Net Help MSG 2182 problem with bit service in Windows error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, the first solution is to restart the background intelligence transfer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay, now scroll down to the background intelligence transfer service. Right click on it and start or restart it depending upon whether it was already started or not. The next one is a check disk scan, especially if you have a HDD hard drive. Okay, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution will be to update Windows. And how do we do this? So to update Windows, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on Check for Updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.